Alright guys, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of Alpha 2 Pro, and we'll just see what's in the box. Alright, so this is the basic box it comes in, and as you can see we'll have this. Stronger than I thought. Have the good old box. Hopefully it won't put up too much resistance. There we go. Here we have it. So there's some kind of instruction here. QR code there for anybody who wants to scan that. And we have the robot. It looks like they put some padding here so that wouldn't break. Stop the moisture from damaging the robot. And looks like he's one big piece. Wow. He's really heavy. Wow, that's cool. Every piece looks really high quality. I don't know if it'll move around as well as expected, but wow, look at the joints. The motors. I don't want to mess around too much with that because I know that you could ruin the motors, but here you see you have the user's manual. There is a USB connector here. Let's see what else is in the box. This might be a power adapter. Let's see. Yep, power adapter. And I guess the user manual is in there. Won't mess it up too much. But yeah, this is what you get in the box. Quick start guide. And in future videos I'll show you if the robot is as good as advertised. But anyway, there you have it. Hope this helps you guys when purchasing, and see you in the next video.